I am back at the garden center. My favorite place in the whole wide world. Okay, let's shop. Oh, looky here. I think this is crocus, right? No, is this crocus? Let me know. I'm not too sure what this is, but they're everywhere. They're so cute. There's so many, look. There's more here, nice little path. There's more here. They haven't opened up. Summer starting. Springtime. Oh, we got some beautiful tulips here. More tulips. Oh, this is going to be a beautiful, beautiful year. That is one beautiful orchid. Come on. Oh wow, look at this one. There's this one here. I'm not even saying much. Variety or what kind of orchid that is. It's gorgeous. So we have some begonia here for $9.99. Look at the colors. I think that's my favorite. And gerbera was my wedding flower. They were orange. So there's some strawberries here. And I think they're in one of those snail things. No. You know, like the snail, the way you... I don't know. I don't remember what it's called. No, it's just in a tube or something. Anyhow, I'm not ready to buy yet because I want to put them outside right away. I don't want them in the house. There are different kinds here. I have some. Oh, blueberry. Wow, what is this? Oh, I've had these before. These are so good. They're like blueberries, but they're kind of longer. They're honeyberry. Thinking of that. Not now, but thinking of it. Beyond the tarp. Beyond the plastic. All of our hanging baskets are there. Oh, looky here. They're hiding. They're not ready to sell because it's not warm enough yet. I could literally stay here all day, listen to the rain. Loving it. Oh my. These begonias are gorgeous. I love this color. I usually have a hanging basket in the front of my house, and this is something I think I'm gonna get. I had orange last year, but this is gorgeous. Okay, so this is succulent heaven here. Oh, look at this color here. I love it. Oh, it's gorgeous. I can't wait. You know, it's not ready. I'm not ready to buy yet. I had this one here. This is the oddest plant. It looks like it's something that belongs on Star Trek or something. Well, actually, all of these do. Look at this. It's flowering. Gorgeous. See? That's what I was saying. It's really weird. These are beautiful too. Look at the purple. Oh my. Wow. It looks like there's a web in there. It looks webbed. Now we're getting into the bigger territory here. Oh my God, I'm nuts for these colors here. Oh, I am so gonna make a huge planter. Oh, definitely. I'll be back for you. I'll be back for you too. All of you. You're mine, oh mine, only mine. Look at that. This. I want to get myself one of these too. Looks like a banana tree, little bananas. Oh my Lord, look at the miniatures here. Look at how tiny this is. Look how cute you are. I love it. These little bonsais, little trees here. Wow, $34. That's a lot of money for a little plant, but it's cutesy. It's cutesy. So for the first time, I am going to try to grow potatoes. And I was just looking at some of my favorites here. I love red potatoes. These are the Prince of Orange. I do want to try these. So we're gonna get some seed potatoes. What are these here? Alaska Bloom, gourmet seed potato. What are these? I'm just trying to find out. The potato red Viking. I love the red peels. Columbia, early season harvest. What do I do, guys? Which ones do I get? Russet. A good old russet potato. Okay, I'll make my decision. All right, I need some snips. Here, the thing is these are like $100, and it's locked up. I don't need $100 snips. I'm good with, these are $11. And I would need some of these here. These look pretty good. They're $18.99, but they're gonna last for a while, I think. So this is what we came for. We're coming to get some mulch, and the mulch is usually at the end over here. And I'm probably gonna mulch this week, but it's raining lots. Here's the mulch. The chocolate cedar, this one. It's cedar we took, right? No, it's not cedar, it's the chocolate brown. You know, that's black. It's right here, brown. It's the brown, right there. All right, so I have my helper here. I can do this, you know, but I just wanted to film it because, you know, it makes me look like I have power. Work. I need a few more, hun. At least for now, maybe, I don't know, 6. So I came here for something and I got what I needed. I have my mulch, and you know what? Look how much of a good girl I was. I only got some seed potatoes, only 1 bag, because I'm gonna try to, you know, prepare my other potatoes at home to get them ready to plant. And I got these edible flowers. I'm probably gonna do some really nice planters, or there's enough seeds for a whole bunch of things, or directly with my my vegetable bed. And I got these here also. So I think that's not bad for a Monday afternoon. And I got 6 of these to start off with. I need lots of this, but we're gonna start off with this for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Till then, keep gardening.